Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's been about 3 or 4 months since the last time I posted. I thought I'd make another upload today talking about my RK61 60% keyboard. It's a very good keyboard for the price that you pay for it. I paid about $45 plus shipping, so about 50 bucks, $55, give or take, somewhere around there. So let's get on to the video. So this is the RK61 wireless RGB mechanical keyboard. You can get this keyboard in a white or black semi-gloss matte. This is also one of Amazon's top rated 60% keyboards out there, coming in at around $50. You have a choice between red, blue, or brown switches, but I got brown because they sound the nicest in my opinion. Now, I've owned a lot of keyboards, and this keyboard has the best lighting out of all of them. And it's adjustable, so you can't really beat it. This keyboard is already slightly tilted upwards, so there's no need for stands. This keyboard is wireless and does have a charge that'll go up to 10 hours. Now after around 30 seconds to a minute, the keyboard will automatically shut off. And this is the feature that'll allow it to go to the 10-hour mark. It also comes with a USB-C cord that is around 60 inches, so it's not that long. They probably could have done better with the lengths and stuff, but I guess it's just what you get. You can always buy a longer cable if you really want. And finally, I'm going to end this video off by doing a sound test of the brown Gordons.